Hello and namaste everyone. My name is Sandhya Balakrishnan and welcome to Yoga and You. This is episode 1 of the series called Yoga for Working Professionals. According to Ayurveda, the best time to wake up every morning is during the Brahma Muhurta, which is 1.5 hours before sunrise. But most of us are snoozing away at our alarms well past 8 a.m. Why is that? Well, thanks to our busy and hectic lifestyles, we have all forgotten how to respect our body's internal clock or circadian rhythm and are neither able to sleep early or wake up early. But are there really any benefits to waking up early? Well, let me tell you a few interesting ones. Number 1, early mornings are quiet and peaceful, so you can spend some time with your own thoughts and plan out your day ahead. Number 2, you can get done with your yoga or exercise routine first thing in the morning and not have to worry about it for the rest of the day. Isn't that amazing? And number 3, you have enough time for breakfast, which means greater energy levels and reduced stress all through the day. Let's start this episode with a quick 5-minute yoga asana routine for an energetic start to the day. And stay tuned till the end because I will share some tips with you on how to start waking up early every morning. Let's start by sitting in any comfortable position like Sukhasana. Make sure your spine is straight, shoulders are relaxed. We'll start with seated Tadasana. For this, interlock your fingers, turn your palms outwards, inhale, stretch your arms up and exhale slowly down. Let's do this 2 more times. Inhale up. Feel that positive energy flowing in through your body. And exhale down. One last time. Deep inhale up. And exhale down. Let's move on to the next posture, which is the seated Tiryak Tadasana. For this, once again, we will interlock our fingers, turn the palms outwards, inhale, raise the arms nicely above our head, and now exhale, turn our body to the right. Make sure to feel that nice stretch all along the left side. Come back to the center, exhale to the left, inhale back to the center. One more time, exhale right, inhale back to the center, exhale left, inhale center, one last time, exhale right, inhale center, exhale left, inhale center, bring your arms down and relax. Let's move on to the next posture, which is known as the seated Kati Chakrasana. For this, take your left palm, place it on your right knee. Take your right palm, place it on the floor behind you. Inhale, twist your torso, look behind you and exhale. Inhale, come back to the center. Let's repeat on the other side. Look behind you and come back to the center. One more time, twist to the right. And come back to the center. One last time, twist to the left. And come back to the center. This posture is great to relieve that early morning stiffness in the lower back, which most of us experience. Now, let's move on to yet another beautiful posture, which is known as the seated cat-cow pose or the seated Marjari Asana. Once again, from the seated position, take your arms forward, curve your upper back, exhale, try to touch your chin to the throat, and now inhale, take your arms behind, expand the chest. Once again, exhale forward, inhale, expand that chest. Again, exhale forward, feel that stiffness in the upper back going away. Inhale back, one last time, exhale forward, inhale back, bring your arms down and relax. Now let's do some seated shoulder rotations. For this, place your arms forward with your palms facing up. Place your fingertips over your shoulders. Now touching your elbows, inhale, go up. Exhale, come down. Again, inhale up. Exhale down. One more time, inhale up. Exhale down. Again, up. Exhale down. One last time, up. Exhale down. Make sure to do it in the opposite direction as well. Inhale up. Exhale down. Again, inhale up. Exhale down. 3. Inhale up. Exhale down. 4. Up. And down. Last one, up and down. Bring your arms down and relax. Now let's move on to a beautiful yoga asana which is known as the downward dog or Adho Mukha Svanasana or mountain pose or Parvatasana. Yes, that's right. There's multiple names to this beautiful posture. We'll stand up and come into a tabletop position like this. And from here, tucking the toes in, we will lift the hips up. We will gaze at our navel. Try to keep the heels on the mat. Now from here, do a simple warm-up. Bend and straighten your legs. Make sure you're nicely warming up those hamstrings, hips, and your glute muscles. Continue for 5 more counts. Enjoy the stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now from here, bring your knees down, chest down and chin down, tongue down. From here, inhale, get your head up and chest up into Bhujangasana. Once again, go up into mountain pose. Bend and straighten your legs. Warm up a little. Now, once again, bring your knees down, chest down. Inhale, head up, chest up to Cobra. Back up to mountain. Warm up your legs. And one last time, bring your knees down, chest down and chin down. And inhale, head up, chest up to Cobra. And from here, finish the routine by going down into Balasana and relax. Well, I hope you enjoyed that quick and easy routine to start your day on an energetic note. Now here are my tips for you to start waking up early every morning. First things first, start going to bed early every night, say around 10 to 10:30 p.m. Keep screen time to a bare minimum before bed, otherwise it can hamper with the quality of our sleep. Now, set your alarm to just a few minutes earlier than your usual wake-up time. For example, if your usual wake-up time is 8 a.m. and your goal is to wake up at 6 a.m. every morning, start by setting your alarm to 7:45 a.m. and wake up consistently at this time for 1 week without snoozing the alarm. For the next week, set your alarm to 7:30 a.m. and follow the same routine for another week. Continue for a few more weeks like this, and pretty soon you will be able to achieve your goal of waking up at 6 a.m. every morning. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Stay tuned for the next one. Until then, bye-bye.